Hi friends, are you ready to transform your mornings and feel amazing? Today we're diving into the world of healthy smoothie recipes for weight loss. Smoothies are quick, easy, and packed with nutrients to keep you full and energized. Whether you're a smoothie pro or just starting out, I've got some delicious recipes that'll make your taste buds happy while helping you reach your goals. Let's jump right in. Smoothies are not just trendy, they're a fantastic way to pack a ton of nutrients into one glass. With the right ingredients, you can enjoy a low-calorie, high-fiber and protein-rich meal that keeps you full for hours. Ingredients like spinach, Greek yogurt, and chia seeds are perfect for balancing flavor and nutrition. Plus, they're easy to customize based on your taste. Here's a tip. Always aim for a balance of protein, healthy fats, and fiber to avoid a sugar crash. Ready to try some recipes? Keep watching. Let's kick things off with a classic green smoothie. This one's a crowd favorite and super simple. Ingredients: 1 cup of spinach, half a frozen avocado, 1 small green apple, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. How to make it: blend everything until smooth and enjoy. The avocado makes it creamy, the apple adds natural sweetness, and the lemon gives it a refreshing kick. Trust me, even if you're not a fan of greens, this smoothie will surprise you. Next up is the Berry Protein Power Smoothie, perfect for post-workout or as a meal replacement. Ingredients: 1 cup of mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder, 1 cup of oat milk, and 1 tablespoon of almond butter. How to make it? Blend until smooth, and you've got a fruity, protein-packed treat. This one is rich in antioxidants, which are amazing for recovery and overall health. Want the full recipe details and my favorite protein powder recommendations? Click the link in the description below. If you're dreaming of a tropical getaway, this smoothie will take you there. Ingredients: 1 cup of pineapple chunks, half a frozen banana, 1 small carrot, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 cup of coconut water, and a dash of ginger. How to make it? Blend everything up for a vibrant, tangy detox drink. The pineapple and coconut water hydrate you, while turmeric and ginger reduce inflammation. It's sunshine in a glass. Who says weight loss can't be indulgent? This smoothie tastes like dessert but is packed with nutrients. Ingredients: 1 frozen banana, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder, 1 scoop of chocolate protein powder, and 1 cup of almond milk. How to make it? Blend until creamy and enjoy your guilt-free treat. This smoothie satisfies chocolate cravings while keeping you full and focused. It's perfect for an afternoon pick-me-up. There you have it, 5 incredible smoothies that are as delicious as they are healthy. Incorporate these into your routine and you'll feel the difference in no time. Don't forget, the key to success is consistency, so pick your favorite recipe and make it part of your day. If you're ready to get started, check out the link in the description for full recipes, tips, and even more inspiration. Hit that like button, subscribe for more healthy recipes, and let me know in the comments which smoothie you'll try first. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, friends.